This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to quickly show how to install the left and right roping zipper feet on the Ultrafeed LS-1 sewing machine. When removing the outside presser foot, we recommend you lift the presser foot lift lever in the up position and turn the balance wheel so that the feet are at their highest position. Having the feet here makes for an easier removal process. This flathead screwdriver comes standard with all of our machines, but loosening these screws can be difficult. If you find it difficult, use a larger screwdriver. Release the single screw, allowing the outside presser foot to come free. You don't need to remove this screw completely, just enough to remove the foot. When installing the roping zipper foot left, make sure the presser foot bracket is at its highest position, as it is here. Slide the presser foot underneath the screw and slide it up so it rests firmly against the outside presser bar bracket, then lightly tighten down the screw. Now, rotate the balance wheel so that the feed dogs are at their highest position up. Lower the presser foot lift lever in the down position. Here you will want to make sure the presser feet teeth mesh with the feed dogs. Doing this ensures the presser foot is level and snug against the screw, then firmly tighten down the screw. Rotate the balance wheel to check for proper movement of the presser feet. The roping zipper foot left should lift up about 2 to 3 millimeters, then drop down flush with the needle plate. The center foot should rise and drop in a similar manner, one after the other. When installing the roping zipper foot right, the process is exactly the same. Make sure the presser foot bracket is at its highest position, slide the presser foot underneath the screw, push it up, and lightly tighten it down. Rotate the balance wheel so the feed dogs are in the highest position up, lower the presser foot lift lever in the down position, and make sure the presser feet teeth mesh with the feed dogs, then tighten down the screw. Lastly, check for proper movement of the presser feet. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to contact Sailrite. Thanks for watching.